Hey everyone, are you wondering how many push-ups you should do each day? Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, this guide will help you find the right number for your fitness level. Let's dive in. Why do push-ups daily? Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises to build upper body strength, endurance, and core stability. They improve posture, boost metabolism, and enhance overall fitness. The best part? You don't need any equipment, just your body and a little space. Consistently doing push-ups can also help with cardiovascular health, as they engage multiple muscle groups and increase heart rate. Push-ups are beneficial for improving bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. How many push-ups should a beginner do? If you're just starting, aim for 5 to 10 push-ups per day with proper form. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with good form than more with bad form. Try doing push-ups in sets, like 3 sets of 5 reps with short breaks. If standard push-ups are too hard, start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Make it a habit, add push-ups to your morning routine or after a workout. Increase by 2 to 5 reps every week to build strength gradually. Intermediate level, increasing your push-up count. Once you're comfortable, aim for 15 to 30 push-ups per day. Try 3 sets of 10 reps or challenge yourself with a push-up ladder. Start with 5 push-ups, add 2 every set. Mix in different variations like wide push-ups, incline push-ups, and triceps push-ups to work different muscles. Test your endurance, set a timer for 60 seconds and see how many push-ups you can do. Break your push-ups into different times of the day, such as morning and evening, to avoid fatigue. Advanced level, push-up challenges. If you're advanced, aim for 50 to 100 push-ups per day. Try breaking it into sets, like 4 sets of 25 reps or 10 push-ups every hour throughout the day. Add resistance by doing decline push-ups, clat push-ups, or one-arm push-ups for an extra challenge. Compete with yourself, see how many push-ups you can do in one go. Experiment with tempo push-ups, slow down on the way down and speed up on the way up for more muscle engagement. Join a 30-day push-up challenge to stay motivated and track your progress. Push-up goals for different fitness levels. Beginners, 5 to 10 push-ups daily, increasing gradually. Intermediate, 15 to 30 push-ups daily, focusing on variations. Advanced, 50 to 100 push-ups daily, adding intensity. Elite athletes, 100 plus push-ups daily, incorporating weighted push-ups and extreme variations. Can you do too many push-ups? Yes. Overtraining can cause muscle fatigue and joint strain. If your muscles feel sore, take a break or do push-ups every other day. Listen to your body, rest is just as important as exercise. Overuse injuries, like wrist pain or shoulder strain, can occur if you don't allow recovery time. Balance push-ups with other exercises like pull-ups and planks for overall strength. How to track your progress. Set a daily or weekly push-up goal and track it in a journal or fitness app. Take a progress video every week to see improvements in form and strength. Gradually increase your reps as your endurance builds. Use a stopwatch to measure how many push-ups you can do in a set amount of time. Create a push-up chart and check off each day to stay motivated. Join an online fitness community to share your progress and stay accountable. Benefits of doing push-ups daily. Strengthens chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Enhances endurance and stamina. Improves posture and spinal alignment. Burns calories and supports weight management. Reduces the risk of shoulder injuries by strengthening stabilizing muscles. Boosts mental health by increasing endorphins and reducing stress. Conclusion. No matter your fitness level, doing push-ups daily is a great way to build strength. Start small, stay consistent, and challenge yourself over time. Mix push-ups with other bodyweight exercises for a full body workout. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips.